Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share my real life Swiss dependent visa journey from India to Switzerland, including all the steps, timelines, struggles, and updates till today. And this story is still ongoing, so if you are waiting for your approval too, you will definitely relate. So, my husband moved to Bern, Switzerland earlier this year, and after he settled there, applied for dependent visa in April and through the Swiss embassy in New Delhi. Along with me, three other couples from his company also applied. So we all started along together, but each case took a complete different path. So the first step was submitting all the required documents at Swiss embassy, and here's the list we submitted: dependent visa application form, passport, original passport plus photocopy, marriage certificate, birth certificate, photos, husband work permit, cover letter, and financial proofs. I submitted everything in April 2025 except birth certificate, as it was not required for adults, and the visa fee was 80 euros. Then we received an email for civil verification. For that, we require additional document submission like birth certificate, original marriage certificate, high school certificates, and police clearance certificates. So we collected all the documents and submitted on 3rd June. And for civil verification, a person is submitted their documents on June 2nd and verification done by June 19th. And the person B submitted their documents on June 5th and had some correction in their documents and verification done by June 15th. And person C submitted their documents on June 10th, verification done by June 19th, and they received their visa by early September. But in my case, we submitted my additional documents on June 3rd, but received no call for verification after all 2 months. So in August 2025, our verification is completed, and on 22nd September, Swiss embassy dispatched our spouse to Bern. And we received the questionnaire from Bern Canton on October 14, and we immediately sent back the answer on 15 October. And the embassy reviewed everything and confirmed that only the final approval letter is pending, which needs supervisor sign. So unfortunately, the supervisor is currently on leave, and so the approval release is delayed.